sunrise breaking through the leaves. Songbirds.
Jeremy, you're the proof that the best things happen when you least expect it. It didn't take me long to realize it was never a question of if I'd end up marrying you. It was more of a question of when. You are smart, handsome, kind, and have the best personality. You're my best friend and the love of my life. Please know that I promise to always be there for you through the good and the bad. I promise I will forever love and cherish you. I love you, Jeremy Coltrider, and I can't wait to spend in this new chapter with you in our lives. And I can't wait to grow old with you, my best friend and my soulmate.
And a fire to lead you home. Keep on running.
Bahara, I love you because you make me feel like the luckiest man alive. Your personality is infectious, and your beauty and spirit lights up the room. But no matter where my life leads me, I know that as long as you are there is where I was meant to be. Today I give you my hand and my heart. I promise to encourage and inspire you, to laugh with you, and to comfort you in times of sorrow and struggle. I promise to love you in good times and bad, when life seems easy and hard, or when our love is simple and when it is an effort. You are my best friend, my world, and my everything. I love you, Bahara, and I look forward to spending the rest of my life with you, one caramel core ice cream at a time.
So Bahar and Jeremy, with the authority vested in me by the state of Georgia, you are now husband and wife. Jeremy, you may kiss the bride.